Boy, fool. Wait, what's this? Yo, what's this? What the heck? What the heck is this? I don't want this crap. What is it doing to me? What is it doing to me? Ah! There you go. Come on, bud. Just bring in the body. Come on. Get this out. Come on. I'm gonna go bring it. Let's see what the heck is this? Is this a security camera? Cause I can deal with this. No. I'll deal with it. Come on. Get in the truck. I'll just do it myself. There you go. I'm gonna need to wake you up, so. Wake up, you dummy! You're under arrest. Why are you bullying me? I'm not bullying me. You? Why are you always lying? Why are you bullying me? Anyways. Yeah, this guy's a psycho. I'm going to turn you around. Thank you. Actually, it's hard. It's heavy. Now. Oh! Ah! Ah! What? Must have given him the... Are you smart? Heck yeah. See? 2 plus 2 equals 5. Common sense. Congratulations, you passed college. Yay. I'm gonna go. Why? Because I can't fool. Bye. Oh, well, he went somewhere. Well, I'm kind of sad. I'm so stupid. I should have just let him eat me. Anyways, that's it for the skit. Bye. Wait, hold on. Thanks for watching these videos. Subscribe for more of these dumb puppet videos. Right, buddies? What the heck was that? What the? So you see, whenever she opens her mouth, she does a solo. So Gucci gang. Close your mouth. What about If gang. Spent 2 rogues on new chains. Man got players in your lane. What? You are the weirdest. Shut up. I recorded this. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. If you don't subscribe, you'll die every day. And that makes no sense. I'm just gonna stop talking. And that is apparently the end of the video. So bye, suckers. Whoa, I add that. Yeah, I just said that. To get you 0 followers. many other ways. Less subscribers. Why are you bullying?